How to use your alcohol coil burner. All you need is a small hand torch as pictured, or larger torch if you prefer, and 91% isopropyl alcohol from your local pharmacy or supermarket. Start off by filling with the 91% alcohol. Keep the level of alcohol below the copper tubing in the jar. I equipped the jar with enough wick to put the coil on a larger jar if preferred. Using the torch, go back and forth on the coils until lit. It usually takes about 30 seconds with a small handheld torch and can be done faster with a larger torch. A regular lighter is not suitable for this. Now that it is lit, it can be used for several purposes, such as lighting, heating small areas, and for light cooking, and to heat water for tea, coffee, etc. When cooking, do not let the flame come into direct contact with your pot. Keep it just below. It will burn roughly 1 ounce of alcohol per hour. When you're finished, you just simply blow it out like a candle. I sell them without a vent hole in the lid and leave it to the customer to decide what they prefer. Without the vent hole, the coil burner will self-extinguish if knocked over. Without the vent, the coil may keep wicking alcohol and flooding the coil while it's still hot after use. If you choose to not have a vent hole, I recommend draining alcohol after use. I prefer to have a vent hole as I find it works better and no chance of flooding the coil, as the vent allows the siphoning action to stop when extinguished, and I leave alcohol in it in between uses. If you wish to have the vent hole, simply poke a hole in the lid with a tack towards the edge as indicated and not near the coil. And that is all there is to it. There are also other videos around the internet if you would like to learn more.